Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. See, this is 10th standard max, state board, chapter 6, exercise 6.1, sixth sum. Sin A minus sin B by cos A plus cos B plus cos A minus cos B by sin A plus sin B equal to 0. So you can take it as the LCM as, see, can take the LCM as cos A cos B, cos A plus cos B into sin A plus sin B, sin A plus sin B, LHS. You can take the LHS, you can take the LCM, do the cross multiplication. So sin A minus sin B, sin A minus sin B into sin A plus sin B, sin A plus sin B plus cos A minus cos B into cos A minus cos B into cos A plus cos B, cos A plus cos B, cos A plus cos B. See here, A minus B into A plus B. You know the formula, A square minus B square. You know that identity, A minus B into A plus B equal to A square minus B square. So what is the value for this? It gives sin square A minus sin square B. Sin square A minus sin square B. So A minus B, A plus B. Sin square A minus sin square B plus cos square A minus cos square B. Cos square A minus cos square B by whole divided by, what is the denominator? Cos A plus cos B into sin A plus sin B. Sin A plus sin B. See here, sin square A plus cos square A. You club the term. You know the identity, sin square A plus cos square A equal to what? 1. Minus, you can take it commonly out. Sin square B plus cos square B. Sin square B plus cos square B. Minus, you can take it as commonly out. What is the remaining thing? Cos A plus cos B. Cos A plus cos B into sin A plus sin B. So what is the identity? Sin square A plus cos square A. Sin square theta, you know very well, since sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So it gives 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 by sin A plus cos A. 1 minus 1 by cos A plus cos B into sin A. Sin A plus sin B. So 1 minus 1 equal to 0. 0 by denominator, the value is 0. So it's nothing but our what? RHS. So LHS equal to RHS. Hence the LHS equal to RHS. Hence the proof. LHS equal to RHS. Hence the proof. Now we move on to the next subdivision. See the second subdivision, sin cube A plus cos cube A. What is the formula for A cube plus B cube? A cube plus B cube equal to A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. The same way A cube minus B cube equal to A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. So you can take it as the LHS. You can take the LHS. LHS equal to A cube plus B cube. So A plus B. A value is sine A. B value is cos A. Cos A into sine square A minus sine A cos A minus sine A cos A plus cos square A plus cos square A. You can take this term as the first term by whole divided by sine A plus cos A, sine A plus cos A plus A cube minus B cube. See here, sine A minus cos A. Sine A minus cos A into sine square A plus sine A cos A. Sine A cos A plus cos square A. Sine A cos A plus cos square A. Sine A cos A plus cos square A. Cos square A by sine A minus cos A. Sine A minus cos A. See, sine A plus cos A, sine A plus cos A gets cancelled. See here the same way. Sine A minus cos A, sine A minus cos A cancel. What is the remaining term left out? See here, sine square A plus cos square A plus sine square A plus cos square A plus here minus sine A cos A minus sine A cos A minus sine A cos A plus the same thing here, sine square A plus cos square A, sine square A plus cos square A plus sine A cos A, sine A cos A, sine A cos A. What is the value of sine square A plus cos square A? 1 minus sine A cos A plus the same thing, sine square A plus cos square A is what? 1 plus sine A cos A. So sine A cos A, sine A cos A gets cancelled. What is the value? 1 plus 1 is 2. It's nothing but our RHS. So LHS equal to RHS, hence the proof. LHS equal to RHS, hence the proof. Hence the proof. See here, seventh sum. Sin theta plus cos theta equal to root 3. Then prove that tan theta plus cot theta equal to 1. So sin theta you can take it as sin theta plus cos theta equal to root 3. Squaring on both the sides. Squaring on both the sides. What is the value we are getting? Squaring on both the sides. Sin theta plus cos theta the whole square equal to root 3 the whole square. Root 3 the whole square. A plus B the whole square formula. Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 3. 1 plus, because identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 3. 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 3 minus 1. 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 2. Sin theta cos theta equal to 1. Sin theta cos theta equal to 1. Now we prove that what? Tan theta. Prove that tan theta plus cot theta equal to 1. Tan theta plus cot theta equal to 1. See here, tan theta is nothing but what? So you can make it as the term LHS. See, sin theta is nothing but what? tan theta is nothing but what? Sin theta by cos theta. Plus cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. LHS you can take. So you can take it as this as 1. So sin theta LHS equal to sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta. Sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta. So sin square theta, sin cross multiplication and take it as the LCM cos theta sin theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta by sin theta cos theta. So you know this identity since sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So 1 by sin theta cos theta. So sin theta cos theta value is also what? 1 from 1, 1 from 1 by sin theta plus cos sin theta cos theta value is also 1. So the answer is equal to 1. It's nothing but our RHS. So LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Hence the proof. LHS equal to RHS. Hence the proof. Now we move on to the second subdivision. Root 3 sin theta minus cos theta equal to 0. Then show that. So you can take it as root 3 sin theta given. It is given. Root 3 sin theta given. Root 3 sin theta minus cos theta equal to 0. So root 3 sin theta equal to cos theta. Root 3 sin theta equal to cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta equal to what? You can do the cross multiplication. Sin theta by cos theta equal to 1 by root 3. Sin theta by cos theta is nothing but what? Tan theta equal to 1 by root 3. Tan theta equal to 1 by root 3. Theta equal to tan 30 degree equal to 1 by root 3. So what is the value of theta? Theta equal to 30 degree. So you can take it as LHS. LHS is tan 3 theta. LHS is nothing but what? Tan 3 theta. Tan 3 theta equal to tan 3 into 30 degree. Tan 3 into 30 degree. Tan 3 theta equal to tan 3 into 30 degree. LHS equal to tan 3 into tan 3 theta equal to tan 3 into 30 degree. So it nothing but what? Tan 90 degree. Tan 90 value is what? Undefined. It is not defined. So tan 90 is undefined. What about RHS? RHS equal to 3 tan theta. 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta. 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So RHS equal to, so what is the value? 3 RHS equal to 3 into tan 30 degree. 3 into tan 30 degree minus 3 into tan 30 degree minus tan square 30 degree minus tan square 30 degree minus tan square 30 degree. 3 into tan 30 degree minus tan cube 30 degree minus tan cube 30 degree by tan cube 30 degree by 1 minus 3 tan square 30 degree. tan square 30 degree. So what is the value? See here, 3 into 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3 the whole cube. 1 by root 3 the whole cube by 1 minus 3 into 1 by root 3 the whole square. 1 by root 3 the whole square. So it gives 3 by root 3 minus 1 by 3 root 3. 1 by 3 root 3 by 1 minus root 3. 1 minus 3 into 1 by 3, because that root 3 square is what? Root 3. 3 get cancelled. So 3 by root 3 minus 1 by 3 root 3 by 0. Anything by 0 is nothing but what? Undefined. It is equal to undefined. Any number by 0, it is nothing but undefined. It's equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS, hence the proof. LHS equal to RHS, hence the proof. I hope you enjoyed, children. See, to receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.